In this video, I show you how to fix something went wrong. Tap to retry problem on YouTube for fixing this problem. First of all, check that you have a valid internet connection or strong Wi-Fi connection. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for YouTube. Click on YouTube. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now go to Play Store. Now search for YouTube app. Click on YouTube. Up to date your YouTube app if available any update version. Now open your YouTube app. Now play a new video. Now I hope that this method fix something went wrong. Tap to retry problem on YouTube app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.